Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to back up WhatsApp chats on iPhone to Google Drive. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you have the WhatsApp application. Now at this homepage of WhatsApp, at the bottom right, you can see the settings option. You can simply tap over there. Now here you can see the option chats under the privacy. You can simply tap over there. Again, this kind of interface will appear. There you can see the option of export chat. You can tap over there. Now you need to choose the chat that you want to back up. After that, two options will be provided: attach media or without media. You can choose according to your preference. Here I am going for without media. After that, various options will be provided. Now you need to search for the option Google Drive. Likewise, you can also change the chat name according to your preference. Now you can go to your Google Drive and check if the WhatsApp messages has been backed up or not. And here you can see at the first, the WhatsApp message has been uploaded in your Google Drive. And this is how you can back up WhatsApp chats on iPhone to Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.